In this video, I will show you how to cancel an Ulta order online. So if you want to actually cancel an order from Ulta, what you can do is you can just head over to ulta.com/guest services. Then under that, you can see that online orders that are shipped to home can be canceled within 1 hour or order placement. So you can chat, text, or call them as soon as possible for them to cancel your order. So for orders that actually use buy online, pick up in store and same day delivery orders, those orders are processed immediately. So cancellations are actually not guaranteed. If your order cannot be canceled, it may be due to your order in store or through the mail. Once you receive it, you can see the return section for these details as well. If you're missing something to your order, no need to request cancellation. You just need to contact them in order to make this possible. Here are their contact information. You can text them, chat with their specialists, call them, and send them an email.